Welcome to Business Training Media's channel. In today's video, we'll discuss email marketing for beginners, 12 tips for success. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for expert insights, professional development advice, and business strategies. Make sure to watch until the end to discover our top resources that can help you achieve email marketing success. Let's dive in. Email marketing remains one of the most powerful tools for businesses to connect with their audience. It offers a direct and personalized way to engage customers, promote products, and drive sales. For beginners, getting started with email marketing can seem daunting, but with the right strategies, you can create impactful campaigns that yield impressive results. With that said, let's review our 12 essential email marketing tips to help you get started. Number 1. Build a high-quality email list. Your email marketing efforts are only as effective as the quality of your email list. Instead of purchasing email lists, focus on building one organically. Here's how. Create opt-in opportunities. Use sign-up forms on your website, blog, or landing pages to encourage visitors to subscribe. Offer incentives. Provide value in exchange for email addresses, such as discounts, ebooks, free resources, or exclusive content. Leverage social media. Promote your email list on social platforms by sharing links to your sign-up form. Ensure subscribers have explicitly opted in to receive your emails, as this helps maintain high engagement rates and avoid spam complaints. Number 2. Choose the right email marketing platform. Selecting the right platform is crucial for managing your email campaigns effectively. Popular platforms like MailChimp, Constant Contact, or ConvertKit offer user-friendly interfaces and features such as pre-designed templates, segmentation and automation tools, and analytics to track performance. Explore platforms to find one that suits your budget and business needs. Number 3. Segment your audience. Not all subscribers are the same. Segmenting your audience allows you to send targeted emails based on their preferences, behaviors, or demographics. Segmentation can significantly improve open and click-through rates. Examples of segmentation include new subscribers, past customers, subscribers interested in specific products or services. Tailored messages resonate more with recipients, increasing the likelihood of conversions. Number 4. Craft compelling subject lines. Your subject line is the first thing recipients see and plays a crucial role in whether they open your email. Aim for subject lines that are short and clear. Aim for 6 to 10 words or around 50 characters. Intriguing. Use curiosity or urgency to encourage opens. Personalized. Include the recipient's name or reference their preferences. Example: John, you're exclusive. 20% discount ends tonight. Avoid spammy language like free or click now, as it can trigger spam filters. Number 5. Focus on valuable content. Subscribers expect valuable content that aligns with their interests. A balance of promotional and informational emails keeps your audience engaged. Consider these content ideas: educational tips or how-to guides, exclusive discounts or offers, product updates or new launches, personalized recommendations. The goal is to provide value in every email, ensuring recipients look forward to receiving your messages. Number 6. Use a mobile-friendly design. With over half of emails opened on mobile devices, a responsive design is critical. Use email templates optimized for mobile, ensuring text is readable without zooming. Images load quickly and display correctly. Buttons are easy to click. Test your emails on various devices and platforms before sending them to your audience. Number 7. Leverage automation email. Automation saves time and ensures consistent communication with your audience. Common automation workflows include a welcome series. Automatically send a series of emails to new subscribers introducing your brand and offerings. Abandoned cart reminders. Encourage customers to complete their purchase with timely follow-ups. Birthday or anniversary emails. Add a personal touch with special messages or discounts. Automation keeps your audience engaged without requiring constant manual effort. Number 8. Include a clear call to action, CTA. Every email should have a clear purpose, whether it's driving traffic to your website, encouraging purchases, or promoting event registrations. Use concise and compelling CTAs that guide recipients toward your goal. Some examples include: shop now, learn more, and claim your discounts. Position your CTA prominently and make it easy to click, especially on mobile devices. Number 9. Test and optimize your campaigns. Email marketing involves continuous improvement. Use A/B testing to experiment with different elements of your emails, such as subject lines, email copy, design and layout, and timing of your sends. Analyze metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates to identify what resonates best with your audience. Number 10. Stay compliant with email laws. Ensure your email marketing efforts comply with regulations like the CAN-SPAM Act or GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation. Key compliance practices include providing an easy way for subscribers to opt out or unsubscribe, including your business name and address in emails, sending emails only to those who have opted in. Staying compliant builds trust and protects your reputation. Number 11. Monitor analytics. Tracking. The performance of your campaigns is essential for improvement. Key metrics to monitor include open rates, the percentage of recipients who open your email, click-through rates, the percentage who click on links within the email, conversion rates, the percentage who complete a desired action like making a purchase, unsubscribe rates. A high unsubscribe rate may indicate a need to reassess your strategy. Use insights to refine your campaigns and better meet your audience's needs. Number 12. Be consistent. Consistency builds trust and keeps your brand top of mind. Develop an email schedule and stick to it, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Avoid overwhelming subscribers with too many emails, as this can lead to unsubscribes. Email marketing is a powerful way to build relationships, drive engagement, and grow your business. By focusing on quality over quantity, crafting targeted and valuable messages, and continuously optimizing your efforts, you can create campaigns that deliver results. Start small, stay consistent, and adapt to your audience's preferences. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to mastering email marketing. Ready to enhance your email marketing skills? Explore the links below to discover top-rated online courses from leading organizations and prestigious universities. You'll also find top free courses for professional development, articles, our free newsletter, and valuable resources to keep you informed and support your growth. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your network. Thanks for watching, and best of luck.